Hi, my name's Kareem. I'm a maths tutor here at Tutors SA.
Hi, I'm Sabrina and I tutor English and ACER Ignite programs.
Hey, I'm Joseph. I've been one of the maths and physics tutors here at Tutors SA for about 4 years now, since 2019.
Hi, my name is Josephine and I've been here since last year.
Hi, I'm Ryan. So I've been tutoring here for many years now, and I mostly tutor in the SACE level mathematics and physics.
I've always been interested in tutoring, and Tutors SA provided me with the opportunity to find individual students and also teach classes, which seemed extremely interesting for me.
I became a tutor here at Tutors SA because the classes are a lot smaller to enable differentiated learning, which supports all students' needs.
What motivates me to be a tutor is actually interacting with the kids. I really love seeing how my particular students develop their academic excellence over the time that I have them in the class, and really seeing them improve their confidence levels, getting more engaged and more into maths and physics is a really key thing for me in my classes.
Having these group classes and being exposed to so many students has been the best thing about Tutors SA. Developing so many relationships and seeing these kids grow is so rewarding, and that's what keeps me here.
I think that a great tutor caters each lesson to the interests of the class and makes sure that you engage with the students as people, including them in their learning, involving them in that process, not just from top down, but from bottom up, as they like to say.
In my opinion, a great tutor is someone who is able to communicate and connect with their students on a personal level and an academic level, and being able to understand the requirements of each individual student. And I try to do that by connecting with one of my students and truly understanding what their needs are.
Engagement and motivating students to learn.
So at Tutors SA, we use a hybrid teaching model, which means we have both students online and in person. And as a part of this, I find a lot of the students work best when I'm able to display things on the board. In order to do that, I'm then also drawing online, and then that online details are being displayed on the board, so everyone, no matter if you're in the centre or at home, is still getting the full tutoring experience.
So the biggest thing for me in both maths and physics is trying to find as many different ways to spark student interest in the topics as much as possible. So what this usually involves is a whole lot of applying it to real world context. Especially with physics, I love trying to apply it to things that the students particularly enjoy outside of school. So if I can apply it to sports, or movies or TV shows or anything of the sorts, and that usually sparks the students' interest a lot more than just teaching them it for the sake of teaching them it. This can also work a lot for maths as well, seeing how the real world works and how it's influenced by maths, and that tends to get the students a bit more excited and a bit more engaged with the topic itself.
If you're feeling worried about your first session, I would highly recommend taking just a couple of minutes before each lesson just to go through the booklet and consider how you're going to present each part of it. That will help alleviate a lot of your stress and also help you to present a much better and more engaging lesson for the students.
Starting off can seem pretty intimidating, but the main thing is to just remain confident in yourself and your abilities, and just know that you'll get more comfortable as things progress. So just keep at it, persevere, and do your best to prepare and stay on top of things.
So although the tutors don't get a heap of opportunities to collaborate together, we do provide quite extensive training for any new tutors in which they actually work with an experienced tutor to get more experience and so on. We also provide termly workshops on the different subjects and age levels that our different tutors work on. So this involves a lot of open group discussion, collaboration, and suggesting different ideas of what tutors have found have worked for them in their classes and what haven't worked so well either.